Experian Boost can directly change your Experian credit score by adding eligible bill payments like utilities and phone bills, while Credit Karma does not change your credit at all and only shows your TransUnion and Equifax data. By the end, you'll know exactly how each tool works, which one can actually raise your score, and when each one is useful in real life. Start with the core difference. Experian Boost connects to your bank account and adds qualifying on-time payments to your Experian credit file. That can increase your Experian-based credit score because it adds extra positive payment history that wasn't previously counted. Now, explain Credit Karma clearly. Credit Karma is a monitoring platform. It shows your credit report data from TransUnion and Equifax and gives you a VantageScore score based on that data. It does not report anything to credit bureaus and does not change your score. Now, explain what people confuse. People often compare these two tools like they do the same job. They don't. Experian Boost can actively change one credit profile. Credit Karma only displays credit information that already exists. Now explain where Experian Boost actually helps. Experian Boost is most useful if your credit file is thin or limited. Adding more verified on-time payments can strengthen your Experian report and potentially improve your Experian score. Now explain its limitation. Experian Boost only affects Experian. Lenders who use TransUnion or Equifax scores will not see any change from it. Now explain Credit Karma's real value. Credit Karma is useful for tracking credit behavior over time. You can see new accounts, balance changes, and payment updates without pulling a hard inquiry on your credit. Now, explain the practical comparison. If your goal is to try to increase a score quickly on Experian, Experian Boost is the only one of the two that can directly impact your score. If your goal is to monitor your credit across two major bureaus and track changes, Credit Karma is more useful. Now explain the real decision rule. Experian Boost is a score influencing tool for one bureau. Credit Karma is a monitoring tool for two bureaus. Now summarize the key points. Experian Boost can increase your Experian score by adding bill payments. Credit Karma does not change your credit. It only shows your data. And they serve completely different purposes. One practical next step: buy-dial. Check your Experian profile first, then decide if Boost actually makes sense based on whether your bills are already being reported. If this helped, subscribe for simple credit comparisons that actually explain what changes your score and what doesn't.